Hello and welcome back to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. We replaced the boiler in this machine. The old one melted and the machine wouldn't function anymore. This is a common problem with Rancilio Silvia espresso machines. And the main reason it happens is because when you're steaming, water doesn't move from the tank to the boiler. Water only moves from the tank to the boiler when running the pump. So therefore we recommend that after you steam milk that you run the pump with the coffee button and you run it until you, without the portafilter on, and you run it until you see water come out of the group head. This way you know the boiler's full, and next time you turn on the machine then it'll have plenty of water inside and it won't burn out the boiler. So let's go ahead and pour a shot. We have a good shot of espresso. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.